Over here at a local junkyard trying to find a hubcap for my van. I went to LKQ, another junkyard here in Bradenton, Florida, and I found me a center console for 32 bucks, which was a pretty good deal. It's totally filthy, but it looks like it's in good shape. I gotta clean it up. But I wanted to stop at this place on the way to see if I could find me a hubcap, because I'm missing just one. Stand by. Hey, I found this van similar to mine, but look, this air filter will fit my van. It's a K&N air filter. Hell yeah. I'm looking in another van, an E van, and I found this running board that would be a good step up into my kind of like this one. And then it looks like there's nothing in here that I want. Trying to find me a hubcap. Here's another Ford van I found, and I do see a hubcap, but it's not the right one. Damn it. I wonder if, look at all that. This thing was a camper or something. I'm still looking. That's a Chevy van. This is a Ford. No hubcap. Man, people must just grab these hubcaps off. Crap. No hubcap in here. I spotted another center console in one though. I like mine better because it doesn't have that door on the front. Still no hubcaps. Keep on searching. Dang, here's another van. No hubcaps on it. I'm looking in the back of these vans too to see if maybe one of the hubcaps was thrown inside. It's not a complete wasted trip because I got this K&N air filter. There's another center console, but not quite like mine. There's another crappy air filter. Damn. No hubcaps. That sucks. I'm beginning to wonder if these hubcaps are hard to find because they're expensive. Look, I found some hubcaps, but not the right kind. Not like mine. Well, I'm beginning to lose hope that I'll find the right hubcap, but I got me a K&N air filter. Oh man, this truck has the same kind of rims as mine, just about. Let me see. What the heck? Can't see inside of it. No hubcaps on the outside. And the damn thing is shut up. This thing's in the way of it. Let me put my air filter down and that damn door. I'm not gonna try to mess with it. No luck on hubcaps. No luck so far. Okay, I give up. Head back and pay for this thing. Let's see how much it cost. All right, how much is this filter right here?
Are you looking at $5 for that, sir?
All right.
Make sure you clean it. Make sure it dries 100%. And you're good to go. $5.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, got me a filter for my van. Here's the news van out here. Adventure news van. This is the hubcap that I was looking for. If anybody out there knows where one's at, let me know. Here's what they look like right here. I need to get some different front tires. This van's not four-wheel drive, but it's got them mud tires on the back, and I think I'm gonna go with some mud tires on the front. This side looks not too bad right here. Not too bad. And I'm fixing to show y'all the center console that I bought at LKQ a little bit ago. I'm fixing to go to the paint store and buy me a can of matching red paint. Anyway, see this console? I mean, it's filthy right now, but I just bought that for $32 over at LKQ, but I had to pay $3 to get in the place. Now I got my air filter. All right. Good. It's hot out here, but this van's gonna be looking good before too long. So, right.